Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you're getting this error, right? It's not actually error. The app you're trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app. So if you are receiving this message, right, you can easily fix it. If you're trying to open any exe files and if you're getting this, it's simple settings, we need to change it. So change app recommended settings, you need to go to that. Okay, click on that. So automatically it will be redirected to this apps advanced app settings. So choose where to get apps. So we have selected only Microsoft Store only. So you need to choose anywhere, okay? Or you can choose anywhere, but let me know if there is a comparable app in the Microsoft Store. So you can select anything, but I'm going to choose anywhere because that exe file is not available in Microsoft Store. So if I'm opening right now, it will be working fine. See, now the exe file is successfully executed. So simply you need to change this, okay? You need to change this from the Microsoft Store only to anywhere. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in the video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.